Setting up shipping rate tables to minimize cancellations and reduce bad buyer experience. A shipping rate table lets you easily set your shipping options by regions, domestic and international. This helps to set buyer expectations and reduce shipping-related queries. On every listing where you apply a shipping rate table, buyers will clearly see the shipping cost for their own region and shipping address. Using a shipping rate table, you can define and apply costs that are customized and consistent based on factors that are important to you. As we mentioned earlier, eBay supports domestic and international rate tables, and you can set up one of each. In certain marketplaces, you can even set up multiple rate tables. Domestic shipping rate tables are currently supported in the eBay marketplaces you see on screen. Here are the eBay marketplaces supported for your international tables. For international shipping rate tables, it's important to note that you can define costs for the following top-level base regions. For each rate table, you can choose how to set up your shipping costs. Setting rates by item works better for parcels with identical or similar sizes and weights. For heavy and bulky items that are expensive to ship, we recommend a fixed base rate plus an additional per kg cost. To ship items to remote areas, we again recommend a fixed base rate with a surcharge added region-wise. Please note that the surcharge option is available only with domestic rate tables. How do you create shipping rate tables? It's easy. To start, log into your account on ebay.com. Under Account Settings, choose Shipping Preferences under the header Selling. Click on the Edit option under Use Shipping Rate Tables and get started. Now, to set up the shipping rate table, choose to specify rates based on item, weight or surcharge. Then, give your rate table a name. Select your region and shipping service. For each region, specify how much you want to charge buyers for that destination and service. For example, express delivery to Indiana for $20, but free shipping for standard delivery. To offer free shipping, enter $0 in the price field. Don't leave it blank. Finally, save your table. Rest assured that your buyers will only see shipping options and costs for their own shipping address. Okay, so now you've set your shipping rate tables. How do you apply them to your listings? There are 3 ways to do this, depending on how you manage listings. 1. You can use the Advanced Listing tool. How does this work? On the listing page, scroll down to the Shipping section. From the Shipping Method drop-down, select Standard Shipping, Small to Medium Items. Open Domestic or International Settings. Under Cost Type, select Flat Rate. From the Rate Table drop-down, select the table you want to use. Once you have done this, you will need to select a default shipping option for the listing. To apply a rate table using business policies, click on Edit Policy to choose the shipping policy to which you want to apply a rate table. Make sure that the domestic or international shipping option is set to flat. Select the rate table you want to use from the drop-down. Select Save. Your rate table will be applied to this shipping policy and all listings which use it. Finally, you can apply a rate table by using the eBay API. For this, contact your integration partner once you set up your rate tables. Let's look at how the shipping rate is calculated when a buyer checks out. For the weight-based shipping rate table, the base price for the initial weight plus the additional price per unit weight multiplied by the product's weight gives the final shipping cost. In the example shown here, if the seller mentions 1 pound, 5 ounces as the weight in the listing, when a buyer from Denmark checks out a product, here's the cost they see. To know more about setting up your shipping rate table, please click on the link in the description. Once you set up your shipping rate tables, you can provide clear rates, avoid cancellations, and improve customer experience while controlling costs. For more information, check out our Seller Center. Get more tips and guidance from eBay by subscribing to our channel on YouTube.